In previous class, to find the LCM, how many methods? 3 methods. Common multiples of method, and prime factorization method, and division method. Okay. Now find the LCM of the following by prime factorization method. Given two numbers. How many numbers gave? Two numbers. Now using the 15. Okay. 15, which is the smallest prime number divisible? 2 or 3. Okay. In the 2 is not divisible. You take 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Okay. Now you take 25. You take 25. In 25 is what is the smallest prime number? 2 is not divisible. 3 is not divisible. The next what is the prime number? 5. You take 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Okay. You write the product of the prime numbers. The product of the prime number. So find the LCM of the following by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method using the prime product of the prime numbers 3 into 5. Okay, 3 into 5. The 25 is equal to product of the prime number 5 into 5. Okay, what is the common factors in this 3? Okay, 15 and 25. What is the common factors? 5 into 5. Okay, common factors is equal to 5. Right? In the both, what are the common factors? 5. In these common factors, what is the difference between of HCF and LCM? The HCF is the only which is the common factors that multiply with both. Both multiply with the only that numbers. What is the common factor? That factor numbers only you multiply. But in the LCM, common, what is the common factors in the prime numbers? What is the common prime factors? And other factors also. Other factors is equal to 3 into 5. Now, product of the common prime numbers and other numbers. Okay. So, LCM is equal to 5 into 3 into 5. 5 3s are 15. 15 5s are 5 5s are 25 to 5 1s are 5 75. The LCM is equal to 75. This is the prime factorization method. The find LCM. First you using the prime numbers, prime factorization method. In this prime numbers, first you common factors you take, and other factors also take, and the common factors and other product of the common factors and other factors. That is the LCM. The another one, second one, that is the 14 and 21. 14 and 21. Okay, the 14 and 21, which is the 14. 14 is which is the prime number, least prime number, using the prime numbers only 2. Okay, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. Okay, the 14, which is the prime number, least prime number, you take 2. 2 how many times divisible in 14? 7 times. 7 how many times divisible? 1 time. The 7 1s are 7. The product of the prime factors is right. 14 is equal to 2 into 7. Okay, now you take 21. 21, which is the least prime number divisible? Which is the least prime number divisible in 21? The 2 is not divisible. Okay, 3. 3 how many times divisible? 3 how many times divisible? 7 times. 3 7s are 21. Okay, 7 how many times divisible? 1. Okay, you write product of the 21 is equal to 3 into 7. The product of the prime factors. So now prime factorization is completed. Now how to write the common factors? Okay, 14 is equal to 2 into 7. 21 is equal to 3 into 7. Okay, you write the numbers, the product of the factors, product of the prime factors. Okay, the 14 is product of the prime factors 2 into 7. The 21 is the product of the prime factors 3 into 7. Now what is the common factor in both numbers? Common factor is 7. Okay, common factors, common prime numbers, common factors is equal to 7. Now what to do in LCM? You find the common factors and other factors. Both are product. That is the LCM. That is the difference between our already just before I explained. What is the LCM and HCF? In HCF only common factors you take. You product of the common factor. That is the HCF. But in LCM, the product of the common factors and other factors. Other factors is equal to 2 into 3. Other factors is equal to 2 into 3. What is the LCM? LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are 42. LCM is equal to 42. LCM means least common multiple. Okay, least common multiple. The another one is, what is the next sum? Now 18 and 27. 18 and 27. 18 and 27. Now 18 and 27. This is the find LCM of the following by prime factorization method. Okay. Now 18. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are. 2 how many times divisible in 18? 9 times. Okay. Again, the 2 is not divisible. The another prime number. What is the prime number? Take 3. 3 how many times divisible in 9? 3 times. 3 how many times divisible? 1 time. So 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. This is the product of the prime numbers. Now I take 27. Okay, 27. 27. What is the number divisible? 2 is not divisible in prime number. The 27. 2 is not divisible. What is the next prime number? 3. Okay. 3 how many times divisible in 27? 3 9s are 27. Okay. In 9, which is the number divisible? Again 3 is divisible. 3 how many times divisible? 3 are 3 1. Okay. The product of numbers 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. The product of prime numbers of 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. Now you write 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. The 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. What are the common factors? What are the common factors? Okay. In this given two numbers, write first common factors. Common factors is equal to 3 into 3. The common factors 3 into 3. Now what to do? Next what to do? Other factors also find out. The first one you take the common factors 3 into 3. The other factors is equal to 2 into 3. Okay. First you find out the common factors and other factors. So now what to do? LCM is equal to common factors and other factors. Both both product of the common factors and other numbers. So 3 into 3, 2 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 3s are least common multiple 54. That is the LCM. Okay. The given numbers you find the prime factorization. After prime factorization you find the common factors. The 3 common factors. The other factors. What are the other factors? 2 into 3. The LCM is equal to the product of common factors and other factors. So 3 into 3 into 2 into 3. The answer is 54. That is the LCM of the 18 and 27. Next one 48, 56. That is the given three numbers. In given three numbers 48, 56 and 72. 48, 56 and 72. In the given three numbers, you find the LCM. Now, this is the what is the using method? Find the LCM of the following by prime factorization method. Using the prime factorization. What is the first given three numbers? You take the first number 48. 48. In 48, you take the least prime number. In the least prime number 28, 2 or least prime number 2 or 3. Okay. But in 2 also 3 also divisible. 2 24s are 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. The 2 how many times divisible in 48? 24 times. The 24 2s are 48. 24 2s are 40. Again, another number, which is the number least number divisible by prime factor. This is the number 24. The 2 is also prime number, 3 is prime number. So any number take, but least prime number take 2. 2 how many times divisible in 24? How many times? 12 times. 2 12s are 24. Okay. Again, another number take 2. 2 6 are 12. Okay. Again another number 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 how many times divisible in 6? 3 times. Now what is the number? 3. 3 ones are 3. The product of 48. First one take 2. 2 24s are how many times divisible in 48? 24 times. Again 2 how many times divisible? 12 times. How many times divisible? 12 6 times. 2 3s are 6. 3 ones are. That is the product of the number. Now you take 56. 56. The 56, what is the number divisible? The 2. The 2 is the least prime number. Okay. 2 2s are 4. Okay. The remainder is 1. 1 and 6, 16. Okay. 2 2s are 4. Now look at 56. The division with 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. Again 16. 2 8s are 16. Okay. The 56 how many times divisible? 2 of 28 times. Okay. 2 28s are 56. Now again 2 1s are 2 4s are 14 times. 2 is divisible in 28 14 times. And again take 2 7s are 14. 7 how many times divisible? 1 time. This is a 56 parameter. So 2 how many times divisible? 28 times. 2 how many times divisible? 14 times. 2 how many times divisible? 7 times in 14. 7 ones are 7. Now another number. The another number is 72. Given 3 numbers, you find the prime factorization first 3 numbers. Okay, 72. Okay. Now you take which is the prime number, least prime number? 2. Okay. 2 take. 2 how many times divisible? In 72. 2 3s are 6. Okay. 2 3s are 6. What is the remainder? The remainder under is number 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay. The 72 how many times divisible? 2 3s are 6. In the place 1 is the remainder. The 1 is 2 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay. How to time 72? 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 1. 2 2 6 are 12. Okay. This is the how many times? This 36 times. Again you take 2. Okay. 2 how many times divisible? 2 18s are 36. 2 1s are 2. The remainder is 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay. This is the prime factors. How is the prime factorization method? 3 numbers prime factors. Now you write the product of the factors. The given numbers product of the factors. So 48. How to write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. The product of the factors. The 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now 56. 56 how to write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay. The 48 you write the product of prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. The 56 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. The 7 to 2 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. This is the product of the prime factors. These are all product of the prime factors. Now what to do? Common factors. You write the common factors. Common factors. Okay. Common factors. Common factors. What is the first one? 2 is the common number in 3. Again in this place 3. 2 is the common number. 2 is the common. Okay. In this 48, 56, 72, 2 is the common number. 2 is the common number in 3 given numbers. 2 is also common. And again, in these 2 numbers, 3 is the common. But in the third one is not there. But 2 is the common number. Now we write the common factors. In given 3 numbers, what is the common factor? The first one 48 and 56, 72. You do the prime factorization. In the given numbers 2, 2, 2. That is the first one is the common factor 2, 1, 2, 2. Then this 3 also common in the 2 given two numbers. Now you write the common factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3. Now common factors. Now write other factors. Other factors. Not common factors. Other factors means what? Not common factors. Now what is the 2 into 7 into 3? 2 into 7 into 3. Common factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Other factors 2 into 7 into 3. Now what to do? You find the LCM. Now what to do? The multiply with common factors and other factors. Okay, we already have explained before, that is the only HCF means only common factors only multiply. The product of the prime common factors only you find the HCF in the prime factorization method. The prime factorization method only common factors only product of the common factors, that is the HCF. But in LCM common factors you multiply other factors also. Okay, now LCM is equal to, what is the LCM? Least common multiple. What are the common factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is the common factors. Now you write the other factors also. 2 into 7 into 3. Okay, you write the product of the number. The LCM is equal to common factors and other factors. Both are multiplied. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48, 48 7s are 7 8s are 56, 5, 7 4s are 336, and 336 into 3. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 into 7 336. You again multiply with 3. 3 6s are 18, 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 1008. 1008. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 7s are 336, 336 3s are 1008. The LCM is equal to 1008. Okay, now what would this number, given number? The 48, the 56 and 72. You find the prime factorization. After prime factorization, product of the numbers right is the product of the prime factors. After product of the prime factors, you need to find the common factors and other factors. Now find the LCM is equal to product of the common factors and other factors. So that is the, what is the LCM? 1008. Okay, now the another one. Then another sum is the another sum 26 40 91. 26 40 91. In this number 26 40 91, 26 to take the given three numbers, to find the prime factorizations. So which is the least prime number? 2 is the least prime number. 2 13s are 26. Okay, 13 ones are 13 is the prime number. 13 ones are 30. 26. How to write? 2 13s are 26. 13 ones are 30. So how many times do you do 26? 13 times. Now you take 14. 2 7s are 14. 7 ones are. Okay, so now we take another one, 91. 91, which is the number divisible? 2 is not divisible, 3 is not divisible, 4 is not divisible, 5 is not divisible. 2 is the prime number, the least prime number 2. After 3, after the prime number 5, 5 is also not divisible. After prime number 7, okay, the first least prime number 2, after 3, after 5, after 7. So 2 1 3 and 5 is not divisible. You take 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 3s are 21. Okay, 7 ones are 7. The remainder 91, suppose you divide with 7. 7 ones are 7. What is the remainder? 21. 7 3s are 21. How many times? 13 times. Okay, so 13 times. Now 13 ones are 13. Okay, now you write the product of the prime factors. Product of the prime factor. 26 is equal to 2 into 13. 14 is equal to 2 into 7. 91 is equal to 7 into 30. This is the product of prime factors. The product of prime factors in these three given numbers. What to do next? What is the next one? You do the find the common factors. Common factors means in this both two numbers are common factors. This is 2. 13 are 13 common numbers and 7 is a common. Okay, so all the other numbers are not there in this number. So common factors is equal to 2 into 7 into 13. These are common factors. The other factors not having. Okay, now the 26. How to write the product of the prime number? 2 into 13. The 14 out to the product of the prime number? 2 into 7. 91 out to the product of the prime number? 7 into 13. Now common factors 2 into 7 to 13. So in this given numbers not having other factors, now what to do? The product of the common factors. So LCM is equal to LCM means least common multiple. Now 2 7s are 14. Okay, 2 7s are 14 into 30. 3 4s are 12. 1. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 1 14s are 14. 1 8 2. What is the LCM? 182. Okay, the given 3 numbers, you find the prime numbers, find out the product of the prime factorization, you find one. After 2 the 26 the product of the prime factors, how to write? 2 into 13, 14 into 2 into 7, 91 into 7. In these three given numbers, you write common factors. The common factors is equal to 2 into 7 into 13. What is the LCM? 2 7s are 14, 14 13s are 182. This is the find LCM of the following by prime factorization method. Okay, find LCM of the following. This is the prime factorization method. Find the LCM of the following numbers. Find LCM of the following numbers. Following the numbers. Find LCM of the following numbers. Numbers by division method. Division method. Find LCM of the following numbers by the division method. 84, 112, 196. 84, 112, 84, 112, 196. 112, 84, 112, 196. Now division method. How to division method? First you write the row ways. Okay, I write the row ways. Okay, 84, 112, 190. I wrote the row ways. And first in these three given numbers, what is the least prime number divisible in three numbers? First three numbers, which is the number divisible, that number take. Suppose in three numbers not divisible any number, any two numbers you take, any two numbers the divisible number you take that. Now 2 is take, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 42s are 8. The 2 is divisible, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Okay, again 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16. 196. How many times divisible? 2 9s are 18, 196. Okay, 2 9s are 18, 1 6, 2 8s are 16. So how many times divisible? 98. Suppose 1 12 out to how many times divisible? 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Okay, 112, 2 5s are 10, 12, 2 6s are 12. How many times divisible? 56. So again, which is the number divisible? 2 divisible. The least prime number 2 is divisible. 2, 2 2s are 2 1s. 2 21s are 42. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 8. Okay, So the 2 is divisible. In 2, 42 how many times divisible? 21 times. 56 how many times divisible? 28 times. 98 how many times divisible? 49. Next, which is the number, prime number, the divisible? Let's check that. So 3 is 21 only divisible. 28 and 29, 3 is not divisible. Minimum any two numbers, the number which is the number divisible, that number you take. So now the next number, what is the prime number? The 7. Okay, the 7 how many times divisible in 21? 7 3s are 21. Okay, 7 how many times divisible in 28? 7 4s are 28. 7 7s are 29. Okay, in the given 3, 4, 7, which is the common factor? Only 1. Okay, the 3 and 4 and 7 common factor is 1. Now the product of the numbers, LCM is equal to 2 into 7 into 3 into 4 into 7. In these three numbers, any number not divisible, any two numbers. So in 3 and 4 and 7 common factor only 1. So that's why the product of the 2 into 7 and 3 into 4 into 7. Now we multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, 28 3s are 3 8s are 24, 2 3 2s are 6 plus 2 84, 28 3s are 84, 84 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 8s are 30, 38, 32, 4 8s are 32 plus 1 33, 336. Again 336 how many times divisible? 7. So multiply with 7. 7 6s are 42, 4, 7 3s are 21 plus 4, 25, 2, 7 3s are 21 plus 2, 23. Okay, again 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, 28 3s are 84, 84 4s are 336, 336 7s are 2352, 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, 28 3s are 84, 84 4s are 336, 336 7s are 2352. That is the LCM is equal to 2352. Now this is the division method, LCM of the division method. Now this is the first one, which is the number least prime number divisible. First we take 2, the 2 in 3 number divisible. 2 42s are 84, 2 56s are 112, 2 98s are 196. Again number 2 take, 2 21s are 42, 2 how many divisible in 42? 21 times. 2 56 how many times divisible? 28 times. So 2 98 how many times? 49 times. Now in 3 numbers, 2 is not divisible, 3 is not divisible, 7 is divisible. Now take 7, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 7s are 49. So what is the finally, what is the LCM, the product of what is the numbers? 2 into 7 and 3 into 4 into 7, 2352. This is the find LCM, the following by division method. Okay, now the following division method. Now next class I am going to explain the next class. Thank you, children.